Hi, so welcome back to Love Vegan Kitchen. Today I am going to make a big butter bowl. But really healthy butter bowl today. Make up with the giant couscous like this, and then also we have all variety of salads and a pan-fried firm tofu. I just pre-cooked it earlier. So really easy to make this tofu, and really good and really high in protein as well. You need protein in your dish, and all these salads is really as nourishing in your dish as well. So today I'm going to serve this dish with peanut sauce. Let's start this up, and then let's see how I place this stuff into the dish. So this is giant couscous. I pre-cooked it earlier. So you normally cook it between 6 to 8 minutes, and so I'm gonna put a lot in. And then carrot and cucumber, and also the raised cabbage. I'm going to put the tomato. You can cut it in half, or you just have the whole one. Today I prefer the whole one because cherry tomato is really small. I went to supermarket this morning, and then this is only I can buy from supermarket. So just add some in our dish, and then going to add some tofu and avocado. Add some avocado, and then I will put some tofu in, and then have some peanut sauce. So I'm going to add some peanut sauce now. Okay. So this peanut sauce is made out of peanut butter and coconut milk and raised curry powder, or you can use a massaman curry powder if you haven't got the raised one. So this is the butter bowl. So I can decorate some spring onion into it as well, so a little sprinkle of spring onion and sesame seeds. Here you go. The butter bowl today is this how it look like. So got cucumbers, carrot, edamame, and the raised cabbage. Also there's tomato there, cherry tomato I use, and also the avocado, so, and the pan-fried tofu, and giant couscous. So you can add any seed that's like pumpkin seed if you like, or sunflower seed, but today this is our butter bowl. So this is the dish for today. That's butter bowl I made. So it got a pan-fried tofu, really easy and simple to make. It's good for your lunch, good for dinner, and yeah, thank you very much for watching today, and Love Vegan will have more video every Thursday at 7 p.m. So if you like, please leave the comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in next Thursday. Bye bye.
I get the best job.
Yeah.
Let's try a bit of this couscous and this. Oh, this tofu looks good in this sauce.
How is it? Good.
That sauce is so easy. That's so delicious. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. That's really good.